Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mazda 3 Sport Lux. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower, while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16, and this is a 2-owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full service history. This lovely colour is the deep crystal blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. Have a look inside. Being the Mazda, you've got the nice sporty interior. Everything feels nice and solid. There's a big armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio, Apple Carplay and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and finally on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a hatchback, the Mazda 3 has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And then open the tailgate, reveals a good sized boot, nice and deep, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit there at the back. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.